Today we will be analyzing a plane frame. If the file name is plane frame, select a folder, select the units as metric, create a job. Yeah. Here we have to enter the first node as 0, 0, 0. As per the question, we have to move. We have the other node at 4 meter above this node in the y direction. So I'll go to the select tab, go to the node cursor and select this node. Go to the geometry and click on translational repeat. Here we have to move in the y direction, so I'll select y. The spacing is 4 meter. Click on link steps and OK. We have obtained the first column. Now I'll take the second node, click on translational repeat, 4 meter in the x direction, click on link steps and OK. Again we have drawn the beam. Again I'll select this thing, click on translational repeat. The depth is -4 meter, -3 meter because we have to move in the downward direction in the y-axis. I'll select the y-axis and OK. We have obtained our diagram. Now I'll add properties. Go to the prismatic and the rectangular. The properties of the first column AB is 0.23 by 0.48. Sorry, 0.23 by 0.45. Click on add. For the beam it is 0.23 by 0.48. Click on add. Again for the last column it is 0.23 by 0.3. Click on add. Now I'll select the beam, assign to the selected beam, click on assign. Select the second thing, assign to the selected beam and click on assign. The third thing, assign to the selected beam and click on assign. Now I'll add the supports. I'll create two supports, fixed and the second one is pinned. The first support is assigned to the first node and the pinned support is assigned to the last node. Yeah, okay. Now I'll go to the loading panel, click on load case details, say add, the type of dead load, add. Load case 1, click on add. Yeah, self-weight should be added, minus y and y. Member load. As we see in the question, we have a concentrated force in the column AB acting horizontally. 15 kilonewton in the global x direction. The D1 is 2 because D1 should be taken from the nearest support to the load. The distance from the nearest support to the load. The nearest support is a fixed support and the distance from the fixed support is 2 meter. So 2. Click on add. Now I'll add a uniform force which is of magnitude -25 acting on the beam BC. I'll not give any D1, D2, D3 here because the force is acting on the total beam in the y direction. Click on y. Now again I will give a -20 in the global x direction because there is a UDL acting on the column CD. I'll assign the self-weight to the view and the concentrated force to the first column and the UDL of magnitude -25 to the second beam and the third one to the third column. So we have done with our loading part. Go to the analysis, add analysis command. Now click on run analysis. Here we have to check for errors and warnings. We have 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now we can go to the post-processing mode, click on OK. We can see the Fy shear force and the Mz bending moment. To get the maximum values of SFD and BMD, click on Annotate, Beam Results and check maximum boxes annotated. Here you will get the maximum values. Thank you.